bestow your sweet smile. Now that you're high in your mansions above, on Erin's green valley, look down with your love. On Erin's green valley, on Erin's green valley, on Erin's green valley, look down with your love. Your people now exiles on many a shore, shall love and revere you till time is no more, and the fire you have kindled shall ever burn bright, its warmth undiminished, undying its light. On Erin's green valley, on Erin's green valley, on Erin's green valley, look down into your love. God bless and defend the sweet land of our birth, where the shamrocks still bloom when you were on earth, and our hearts shall yet burn wherever we roam for God and Saint Patrick, our name.